come from mother-in-law to housewife. Right now, na the mother-in-law come dey house while the main wife e don enter street with her 3 months old baby. Hi guys, welcome back to Amebo Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time, depending on any time you just come across my channel for the first time. Support your girl by hitting on that subscribe button and put on the post notification bell so you always dey get my ogbonge matter, and as I dey drop am kpaka, you will be the first to check it out. So guys, today my darling people, una know say tori no dey finish now, e no dey finish, another one don come. And this tori if na you be the wife, the husband to this woman, wetin you go do? And if na you still be the wife to the elderly man, wetin una go do? Oya, this matter na for married couple. Woman wey go say e don marry, emi eye ti gbeginigbe, na wetin dem dey see be this. Woman wey go say e don marry, abeg e no care again, anything can happen, na wetin dem dey see, na be this thing. You sit down, eat your popcorn, dey watch, pull ear down, no let anyone miss from this video. No fast forward am, so you go dey hear all the ogbonge matter how e take down happen, where e from start, or seke wey dey yaya gbelekwai, come hear matter. So kind matter dey wey you go hear this house. I would say like, how on earth with all these things where dem for dey happen? But they do, yes na una know na dey happen. So this matter wey come today, e heavy, e make kokoko for ear, e make nyenyenye for head, e make gigigi like this for the two side. But wetin we go do? Wetin we never we hear for this era of social media, no even to dey outside again. Well sure, how many women out there? Nothing we never hear before, but e get some wey you go still hear. You say, Jesus, which demon, devil enter so person body? Na be this video wey I bring today. Like this very video, I waka meet am somewhere, and as I take waka meet am, I say na wow, na wow. This na mother-in-law wey be say e just dada himself from Nigeria dey come for this our obodo oyibo, come do omugwo. From omugwo e talk to iyomo, unexpected iyomomo. This lady wey we dey talk so to start with, she's close to her 50s. She don dey go 50. Her daughter wey dey for abroad, so things dey happen, open your eye, trust no one. Her daughter wey e born, wey make her come from Nigeria come do omugwo. Her own pikin omo, no be im own daughter. Wetin happen? According to the story for where I for see am, from the reliable source, because I no dey wan carry all those kind news wey be say I no get the facts. Person wey e happen to, reliable source, na im knack am for my head. E say when this man don dey for abroad, this man don dey for abroad for this obodo oyibo for long. E say e dey find wife o, all those kind wey dey say ihueweboma, ihueweboma. E come go Nigeria, come go marry im wife come. As he marry the girl come, really, the girl no dey here. It was very nice. The girl na the most loyal woman wey say e don see. The girl was really nice, loyal and respectful to the husband. So when e wan marry, they come go Nigeria back, go do marriage. After he don carry the girl come, they don go Nigeria, jam the girl, date, they come, just normal dating. So since we dey abroad, they communicate. Not until when she ready say in dey go Nigeria go do marriage. Na there im nightmare start from the mother. As e reach house, when im mama see say na dis kind sobobo boy, hey, azonto boy wey get 6 pack, e carry front, e carry back, e get everything. Olila no. Na im mama say, omiye onesu obo my darling. If I know why or in a so, and this same woman is still there husband. So this girl dey do marriage, papa still dey alive, he and him wife they there. Or what man why you giving a one na. So he say na so he come take do marriage. Now from the day when he carry her come take do marriage, wey they prepare, he say na the mother fall in love with the guy. Hey Jesus, things dey happen. You know my hear say about my darling. He said that from the day when he can't do marriage, when he carry that guy at house. Now that same day, now the mother say he see her when he take fall in love with her. When she reach here, she not know. They do marriage, they come out. So as they don't come back Europe, then day 1 year, 2 years before God come bless them, the 3rd year he go get belle. He say so as he get belle when he born. Before he born, they don already dey process paper because him mother dey disturb am. Oh, if you bear, if you born, abeg carry me come o. Me I come do omugo. Me I come do omugo. Not knowing say he don dey hide the boy. Me come collect am. Me he come do omugo. At least hey, my pikin ain't born for abroad. So hey, man, God, you do well. Oh, suffer. Oh, so all those kind blah blah blah. Many talk. Say so when he really belle don reach around 5 to 6 months. They can go apply for visa. They can ask for everything wey they need for the country where they dey. When they tell them, so they have to bring everything, including a pregnancy, exams, and everything to invite the mother come see the come for omugo to come really help. Say come say okay. Not knowing say mother get plan. When the mama visa don't come out, they don't buy ticket, do everything, don't they ready to come out. You can't go abalis. You can't go do otumokbo. When you go be say awa miao or ilihwa. As the mama they enter, when the guy go see and make everything change. Really, he say as the mama enter us. He never reach 3 days. The husband don't they do like television not clear. He don't they do chichichi. You know, he head not they come there. Anything when you just talk na vaccination, anything when you do na vaccination, you can't imagine say show. When you call the apple, since when your mama call, your house just scatter. You go still go meet him mama say, mama, what's the apple? Since when you come, my husband not be say big before. The mother say he hear this me, you never know them. Maybe as you need the boy, don't go they do realize the small gas. I don't say that, not knowing say that he hear for his house, the mama and they do realize. He say okay, oh, you know, sure your husband know if he swear for him. But say okay. Not until it come pass 1 month, 2 months, the 3rd month, mama begin throw up. Before this time, say many times the husband not come dey stay house, they stay house, mama will come and say, I even go take stroke. Whereas they don't go hotel where they go dey do am. They want go take stroke, they don't go hotel. So not until mother come dey throw up. The mother come dey throw up. You can imagine say, how manage? Why your mother dey throw up like pregnant woman? Mother, which one say go dey see her red flow again. And so my mother come dey throw up. She come call mother, yo, wetin dey happen? Wetin sup? Your mommy say, mommy, no, nothing dey happen. No, just dey okay. You see they get all those symptoms, like so she come carry doctor come house. As the doctor visit the mother, he touch her. He say, I say you get belle. Then mother say, no, I ain't go get belle for see her. Get belle, maybe na fibroid didn't get. Because daughter, you remember say if they attend get that fibroid, that was okay, don't be like maybe don't grow again. Then the doctor say no, wetin he touch no be fibroid na pikin. So they have to go to hospital for checkup. Hold and behold, when they reach hospital, the mother was already 2 months gone. Hey, now wow, things they happen, The mother, then she come ask her, hey you, my darling mother, how manage how it happen? Then mama say, she which kind of nonsense question they ask me? Not be husband that live for us fire comot. Just say, but say we don't the same maybe you don't need again. How come? Because say no, maybe this one just come, you need, and this one abroad. You go your born for abroad. Gradually the guy not gonna feel the door and hide again. You're gonna do am to the girl eyes. When they come jam the first, they say ask, hey mama, wetin dey sup? You say na wetin you eye see o, na so e your be, na so e your be. You don talk to women. The mother don talk to our mate o. They don begin dey drag his son-in-law. The son-in-law say na the mother he come love, he no need the girl again. The mother-in-law say he don already carry okra for the son-in-law. He no be his son-in-law again, now na him husband. Dem call Nigeria, your husband for her say he see me see wahala o. He talk am say the juju, the way he take dress, the way he take the body take shaka, she was up to something when they go this journey. He tell her say make he be no go, you know, so that they wan take one scatter a pikin house. Now as we dey talk, the mother dey house while the guy he don drive 3 months old pikin follow him wife comot. Ah God, sometimes you just dey imagine say, oh God, you no just strike some kind evil people as they plan am. Right now as me I dey talk to una no say na amebo memo ogerenia. Una know say this matter, if Nigeria happen to wetin, that is I don't know, I dey try get something straight, get something clear here when I no fit really understand, like how come from mother, now as we dey talk, the mother dey house while the guy he don drive 3 months old pikin follow him wife comot. Ah God, sometimes you just dey imagine say, oh God, you no just strike some kind evil people as they plan am. Right now as me I dey talk to una know say this matter, if Nigeria happen to wetin, that is I don't know, I dey try get something straight, get something clear here when I no fit really understand, like how come from mother-in-law to housewife, right now na the mother-in-law come dey house while the main wife e don enter street with her 3 months old baby for inside this cold alone. Na this one na she come cry come and say utumega isokokabo nonya oigwetu. So my darling people, and this one na be the tori wey we carry come. Abeg, your comments dey very important. Leave your comments on the comment section below, and in case you dey yet now you never subscribe to Amebo Gist TV, we are here. Hit on that subscribe button and put on the notification bell. Make for dey see all the tori mama as they come out. Now no say tori no dey finish, and as they come out kpaka, that's why they drop off on a chaka. Abeg, hit your popcorn, hit your suya, no wega twenu download. That's they watch on now. They leave those amazing comments. So see you all on our next video, and bye bye.